Bright Eyes Doves has the ability to ship doves anywhere in the U.S., and this is how we do it. First, we pick the healthy young birds or breeders that our clients purchase. We use boxes for birds exclusively. Why? These boxes are designed to provide comfort and safety for the birds without wasting any space. They are lightweight to ensure low-cost shipping compared to heavy cages or baskets. Also, they're approved by the United States Postal Service and made in the USA. Meet my 7-year-old grandson, Gaige. He's going to show us how easy it is to assemble and use boxes for birds. It's as easy as child's play. Boxes for birds comes in various sizes. Today we're assembling a 4-bird box. Each box comes with instructions, a bottom panel, top panel, dividers, and 2 zip ties. First, fold the base of the box using the numbered flaps.
1, fold 2, fold 3, and fold 4.
Insert the bottom panel, then assemble the dividers and place them in the box. Sprinkle shavings into each section.
We do this because the birds would be more comfortable this way.
And then the doves go in the box next. Fold the 2 flaps to close the box and then zip tie for security. Then you can place this shipping label and take it to the post office. It's as simple as that. These boxes are great for shipping and simply transporting birds for racing, release, or pigeon fancier clientele. Bright Eyes Doves likes to use boxes for birds right before a dove release to ensure an unsoiled release experience. And many thanks to Mike and Sherry Owen, who owns Boxes for Birds. Many satisfied coos from our loft to theirs.